On a major road. On a major road, really? Oh, look at your eye go. Indicate. Oh, he's on his phone. Can't really see anything.
Why you don't stop?
Yeah. Oh, you just give way on your side. So it's your side is to give way.
Because you have no motorbike.
You've got to give way. So
Why you don't stop?
you're the give way.
Why you don't stop?
Because I don't need to on the main road. So
You have a motorbike.
yeah, and you're gonna give way. You're gonna be an idiot.
Oh, that's stop.
Really? Oh, hit that car. And again he hit the car. Come on then, easy on. Turn right. That was a fucked up turn, wasn't it?